Wacker Concrete Solutions, a world leader in the concrete industry for 70 years, introduces the revolutionary new plug-and-play system. Economical yet highly versatile, the Wacker plug-and-play system of clamp-on electric external vibrators and variable frequency inverters, along with a new generation of internal vibrators, offers new levels of quality and efficiency when finishing concrete on the job site. The system begins with the AR36, a lightweight, easy-to-use, clamp-on electric external vibrator designed specifically for vibrating job site formwork. It operates by vibrating the form face to effectively consolidate the concrete and also achieve a precise, high-quality finish. Vibration-proof, brushless induction motor design with Class H motor windings and heavy-duty construction guarantees constant speeds even under the most difficult working conditions. Operator-friendly clamps allow for quick assembly without specialized tools and can be custom ordered to fit both steel and wooden formwork. Self-made wooden form should always be glued and screwed together for strength. To power the AR36 motors, a Wacker inverter is used to supply the low, safe 42-volt, three-phase variable frequency power. A standard single-phase 240-volt job site generator powers the inverter, while convenient controls on the inverter are used to precisely select the best vibrator frequency. A typical job site setup utilizes a predetermined number of AR36 motors. They are simply clamped onto the formwork in various row patterns. The bottom row of motors is switched on for approximately 90 to 120 seconds when the concrete reaches the recommended lift height as prescribed by ACI number 309R-96 Guide for Consolidation of Concrete. A second lift of concrete can be placed and the motors are then run a second time. A second row of motors are attached and then run when the next two lifts of concrete are placed. To minimize the number of motors used, typically they are leapfrogged up the formwork to the remaining designated positions. Every motor comes with a safety cable for both the operator's safety and to prevent damage to the motor when working overhead. This process is continued until the wall has been completely covered. Wacker's new plug-and-play system was used to consolidate this wall with a group of first-time operators.
My name is Vince Faby. I'm the general foreman / superintendent for Weatherby Construction here at the Brigada. We're building a 40-story tower addition. Obviously, we're using external vibrators. It's the first time I've ever used them. Basically, just clamp them onto the whalers, and you line them up, and as the pour goes higher, you have laborers at different spots raising them up as the pour goes up. It's very simple. Made a believer out of me. I was always, like I said, an internal man, and now when I see the results, I'm very happy, and so is the owner and the CM. In a lot of our core walls, we had a lot of horizontal number 11 bands of bars that went across the headers. And we knew right away when we saw that it was going to be very difficult to get internal vibrators through that congestion of rebar. And that's when we decided that yeah, we got to look into the externals. And not to repeat myself, but you know, we've been it was a home run. We've been extremely happy, and we plan on using it on the next job too.
We've come to trust the Wacker equipment. The external vibrators, inverters, and generators are darn near bulletproof. We've been very, very fortunate with them. Our service people like them. They've been simple, they've been safe, and most important, they've been reliable. Although they are electric, they use an inverter, which reduces the power down to a very safe 42 volts, which can be further reduced with the potentiometer on the unit itself. So it is a safe unit, particularly in the field, even if there are mechanical damages to the cords.
The inverter drives the motors at any speed between 0 and 6,000 vibrations per minute, allowing an operator to select the correct speed for the formwork and concrete. This single operator can manually or remotely control the inverter, turning motors on and off, increase or decrease the speed, and ultimately oversee the entire pouring and finishing operation. Consolidation is quick and very consistent, eliminating guesswork and eventual rework caused by improper techniques that often lead to honeycombing, bug holes, and similar surface defects.
Absolutely, we're very impressed. We're so impressed we're even using them on the columns, which we could have done that internally, but we're using them on the columns now, and it's great.
An even greater challenge occurs when there are openings in the wall, such as this window, or if the wall slopes, or if steel reinforcement is highly congested. In these applications, use of internal vibrators becomes extremely difficult and in many cases impossible with poor, costly results. Once again, using a standard concrete mix, the Wacker plug-and-play system quickly and effectively handles this extreme application.
So how's the plug-and-play working?
Not too bad. The true test will be when we strip the wall.
Okay.
Seems to be working rather well though.
How is it in terms of setup?
Really quick.
After the forms are removed, even this difficult window application shows the unaltered surface quality with absolutely no need for additional patching repairs, labor costs, or construction delays. Customers can use internal vibrators to supplement the plug-and-play system, especially where wall thicknesses are wider to fully consolidate the concrete. As a part of the new Wacker plug-and-play system, we also now offer safe 42-volt motor and head high-frequency internal vibrators. Deck pours can utilize the plug-and-play external vibrators on the bottom to assure ideal surface and consolidation quality, especially when congested rebar placement makes internal vibration impossible. When deck design thicknesses call for additional internal vibration, the new Wacker IR-SEN series 42-volt high-frequency motor and head vibrators are ideal because of their power and integrated handle design with fingertip on-off control. Now, for every job site application, produce astounding results in less time and less money than ever before with the new Wacker plug-and-play system. Experience first-class, architectural quality finish work right at your fingertips with the world's most versatile on-site concrete consolidation solution. The new Wacker plug-and-play system, changing the face of concrete forever.